Thank you all for joining us. My name is Vitruvius. I have traveled over 5,000 miles and over 2,000 years to be here in Atlanta at Cove Tool HQ for this very special announcement. And we're so glad everyone online could join us. We also have Patrick Chopson. He is over in Washington, D.C. at the AIA 24 conference, live on the floor. Our Chief Product Officer. How's it going out there, Patrick?
Oh, man, it's amazing. The energy here, everyone's super excited about all things AI. So this year couldn't be more appropriate. And thanks for traveling so far in the future. I know it's probably quite a shock.
It was difficult. There are a lot of secrets in this scroll. I can tell you that. So why are we here? Why did I travel so far, Patrick?
Well, we're here today. We're announcing our new AI for architects. It's called Vitras.ai. Really, really excited to kind of show you all today what's going on. It's going to be a real game changer for the architecture community.
That's amazing. That sounds incredible. You know, also, you're in DC. You know, I'm personally a fan of that architecture. The columns on that big White House, just beautiful, beautiful. So Vitras.ai, you're telling me that's kind of a gorgeous name. It just sounds real good in my ears. Can you tell me where that name came from?
Yeah, so we were thinking a little bit of Latin roots, you know, going back to Vitruvius, you know, so we wanted to name it a little bit about that, but also about verification, because architects are worried about if they interact with an AI, is it going to be accurate? Is it going to be telling them the truth? So the verification component, the transparency of Vitras, kind of sounds a little bit like some of the other Latin words are close to that. So
that sounds fantastic, and I'm very flattered. And it does explain why my agent insisted that I take this booking. But tell me, what exactly can Vitras do?
Yeah, so one of the things that we want to do is introduce workflows. So things that architects need, like a full LOD 100 cost estimate, something you need all the time if you're an architect, being able to produce that from a very few inputs and then not get it wrong. Also zoning analysis, something that architects spend a lot of time doing. And in fact, it wasn't until just 2 months ago that the technology existed to even analyze a full zoning code. The other thing we got is energy benchmarking, going back to Cove Tools' roots, you know, being able to put in some information and get a full report. And the key is not having to make anything. You can just get the whole thing. And the last piece, which is also super cool, is just doing a climate analysis to understand the opportunities for your project and ways that you can embrace passive strategies to be able to make your project even more cool based on your location.
Wow, that is a powerful tool. Honestly, architects have it so much easier these days. That's absurd. Vitras really does sound amazing. I'd love to meet some of the minds behind it. I would like to bring in Daniel Chopson. He is the Chief Technology Officer here at Cove Tool. So, Daniel, tell me about your role and who are these beautiful, beautiful people behind us?
Awesome. Yeah. So, you know, I head up the software team over here at Cove Tool, and we're super excited about the technology that we've built. This amazing team behind us has been crucial in both building, designing, developing the software, but also giving us input and ideas on how to sort of present this to the world as well. So big shout out to software research, marketing, CS, sales, all the teams here at Cove Tool. So big thank you to you guys.
Yeah, that's amazing. Thanks so much. It sounds like you have an incredible team. Incredible team. It's honestly an honor to be amongst y'all. Thank you very much. Patrick, I've got kind of some rapid fire final questions for you. Why did y'all create this? What problems were you solving for? And who is this Vitras.ai for?
Yeah, so the biggest challenges that people faced is, you know, we used to be mostly just a software company. We made beautiful software that people could use, but what we found is that architects were missing the element of verification and explanation. And so one of the things that we've done is create an end-to-end workflow for using AI, where we can either use Vitras to help answer people's questions, give them that guidance, the interpretation of the results, and that's for architects and engineers, you know, also other designers, and then also transitioning that in the same application, you can also access our human consultants that work with AI. So you can actually have a verified workflow to be able to produce work, get us in there as a full consultant, and add that human element. And then, of course, the Cove Tool applications that we've already made are already tied into this whole workflow. So it's a really nice universe of ways that people can access verified information. And that's the problem that we're trying to solve, is how do we move climate change action forward? It's got to be through the use of AI in ways that we can actually help people know what to do, not just how their building is performing, but what it means and how they can improve that project.
Yeah, that is incredibly important. And it sounds like this tool is going to be, honestly, a really big game changer. And I think with that, we're going to be ready for our countdown to launch. If everyone wants to join me, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's amazing. Let's watch a sneak peek of Vitras.ai in action. All right, and with that, Vitras.ai has launched for our exclusive group. If you want to be the next to get early access, scan the QR code to sign up. I think it's there. There we go. There's our QR code. And if you're at AIA 24, please stop by the Cove Tool booth, meet Patrick, meet the team, learn more. Thank you all for joining us live. Thank you, Cove Tool, for being here. Thank you all. Have a great night.